For decades, luxury in the automotive world was defined by the roar of powerful engines, the gleam of polished chrome, and the unmistakable scent of leather seats. It was about status, opulence, and the thrill of commanding a machine built for comfort and speed. But as the world evolves, so too does our understanding of what it means to truly experience luxury. The expectations of discerning drivers have shifted, and the very definition of premium motoring is being rewritten before our eyes. Today, true luxury is about more than just material extravagance. It's about intelligence, responsibility, and a vision that looks beyond the present moment. The most coveted vehicles now blend cutting-edge technology with a deep sense of environmental stewardship, offering a driving experience that is as thoughtful as it is thrilling. Electric cars are at the forefront of this revolution, redefining what it means to drive in style. Instead of relying on brute force and fuel-hungry engines, they harness intelligent power, delivering performance that is both exhilarating and efficient. The hum of an electric motor replaces the growl of combustion, signaling a new era where innovation and elegance go hand in hand. Imagine gliding through city streets in near silence, the world outside undisturbed by noise or fumes. With every journey, you leave no exhaust behind, just a whisper of progress and a promise of cleaner air for everyone. The city becomes a quieter, more peaceful place, and your drive becomes an act of respect for the environment. Step inside a luxury electric car and you'll discover a sanctuary on wheels. The cabin is a haven of tranquility, insulated from the chaos of the outside world. Soft lighting, premium materials, and advanced soundproofing create an atmosphere where you can truly relax, focus, or simply enjoy the journey. And yet, none of the excitement is lost. These vehicles are engineered to deliver a driving thrill that rivals, and often surpasses, their traditional counterparts. With a simple press of the accelerator, instant torque propels you forward, creating a sensation that feels almost like flight. The response is immediate, the power is seamless, and the experience is unforgettable. It's a new kind of exhilaration, one that's as smooth as it is powerful, and as refined as it is raw. This is the new standard for premium experiences. Today's luxury drivers demand more than just speed and style. They want vehicles that are as smart as they are beautiful. From intuitive touchscreens and voice controls to advanced driver assistance systems, every detail is designed to enhance comfort, safety, and connectivity. The result is a seamless blend of performance, technology, and design that sets a new benchmark for what a luxury car can be. But luxury today is also about making choices that feel good, not just for ourselves, but for the world around us. Charging your car with renewable energy, driving through pristine landscapes, and knowing that your journey leaves a lighter footprint on the planet, these are the new hallmarks of responsible indulgence. It's about enjoying the best life has to offer, while ensuring that future generations can do the same. Electric luxury cars answer this call, offering a rare combination of sustainability and desire. From responsibly sourced materials to energy-efficient manufacturing, every aspect is carefully considered. These vehicles prove that you don't have to compromise on style or performance to make a positive impact. This powerful combination of innovation, responsibility, and aspiration is driving the rapid adoption of electric vehicles in the luxury market. More and more discerning buyers are choosing electric not just for what it says about their taste, but for what it says about their values. A new generation of vehicles is emerging, crafted by visionary engineers and designers who are passionate about shaping a better future. These cars are born from a spirit of innovation, blending artistry with advanced technology to create something truly extraordinary. More than just a means of transport, these vehicles are statements of progress and ambition. Arriving in a luxury electric car is a declaration that you value both sophistication and sustainability, and that you're ready to embrace the future with confidence. These cars demonstrate that luxury can be both forward-thinking and sustainable. They show that it's possible to enjoy the finest things in life while making choices that benefit the planet and society as a whole. This is not just a fleeting trend, it's a profound transformation in the way we think about personal mobility. The dawn of electric luxury is here, and it's redefining what it means to move through the world with purpose, style, and conscience. The soul of any car is its powertrain, the intricate system that transforms energy into motion. In traditional vehicles, this means a complex network of pistons, gears, and fluids working in harmony, but also prone to wear and tear. Electric vehicles, however, are rewriting the rules. Their powertrains are not just efficient, they're a marvel of modern engineering, designed for both performance and peace of mind. Electric powertrains are elegantly simple, with far fewer moving parts than their gasoline counterparts. This simplicity is not just a technical achievement, it's a revolution in reliability. Gone are the days of oil changes, exhaust systems, and timing belts. Instead, you get a streamlined system that's built to last, requiring less maintenance and offering a quieter, smoother ride. With fewer moving parts, electric vehicles offer greater reliability and significantly lower maintenance costs. Owners enjoy the peace of mind that comes from knowing their car is less likely to break down, and when it does need attention, repairs are often simpler and less expensive. This is a fundamental shift in the ownership experience, making electric luxury not just about comfort, but also about confidence and convenience. But the real magic is in the performance. Instant power delivery changes everything. Electric motors provide torque from the very first moment you press the accelerator, resulting in breathtaking acceleration that leaves even the most powerful gasoline cars behind. Whether you're merging onto a highway or zipping through city streets, the response is immediate and exhilarating. Electric cars like the Tesla Model S Plaid redefine speed, offering unparalleled acceleration that was once the domain of supercars. In just a few seconds, you can go from a standstill to highway speeds, all in near silence. This combination of power and refinement is at the core of electric luxury, delivering a driving experience that's both thrilling and serene. Beyond raw power, these cars are intelligent, essentially computers on wheels. The cockpit is a showcase of cutting-edge technology, with digital displays and intuitive controls that put information and entertainment at your fingertips. Every aspect of the driving experience is enhanced by software, from navigation to climate control, making each journey more enjoyable and personalized. A central touchscreen controls everything, allowing for constant improvement through over-the-air updates. This means your car can actually get better over time, with new features, improved performance, and enhanced safety delivered straight to your driveway. It's a level of adaptability and future-proofing that traditional cars simply can't match. Advanced sensors provide a 360-degree view of the world around you, powering sophisticated driver assistance systems. Cameras, radar, and ultrasonic sensors work together to monitor traffic, detect obstacles, and keep you safe in ways that were unimaginable just a decade ago. These systems reduce stress on the road, taking over routine tasks like lane keeping and adaptive cruise control, and paving the way for a fully autonomous future. The promise of hands-free driving is closer than ever, making every trip more relaxing and secure. The combination of a simple, robust powertrain and sophisticated, ever-evolving software truly defines modern electric luxury. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about enjoying every moment of the journey, surrounded by innovation, comfort, and confidence in the future of driving.